Hello students, I am B. Swapna, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE from MGR University Educational Research Institute, Chennai. We are going to see the topic electric circuits. We are going to cover the topics are parallel connection, derive the equation for the parallel resistance, derive the equation for current division rule. Already we know that parallel connection is nothing but the connection in that all electronic components are connected across each other, make a parallel connection. That is, one end of each component is connected to the other one end of each component is connected to the same end of other component. That connection is known as parallel connection. That means we are taking two resistor means first end of two resistors are connected each other, next end of two resistors are connected each other. That is known as parallel connection. In that connection, current flow will vary through each component. Potential difference will be same in parallel connection. In parallel connection, any damage occur in a single component that won't affect the other component present in the circuit. That is the advantage in the parallel connection. Mostly household connections and many connections we are giving parallel connection only. We are using parallel connection to many applications. Next topic, derive the equation for parallel resistance. So we are going to derive the equation for resistance value present in the parallel connection. So we are taking two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel along with the battery V. See the circuit, this is the parallel connection circuit. We are taking battery V that is connected with the parallel connection of two resistor. Current starts to flow as I. That current is split into two parts through the resistor R1 and R2 as I1 and I2. So I1 through R1, I2 through R2. So current will be differ, voltage will be same. So therefore parallel current I is equal to sum of two currents present in the circuit I1 plus I2, marked as the equation number 1. We know the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Here we are seeing about parallel connection, hence it can be mentioned as RP. V equal to I into RP. We need the value of I. I is equal to V divided by RP. Similarly, value of I1 from Ohm's law, V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. We are going to mark the three equations as number 2. Now substitute equation number 2 in 1. See the equation number 1. 1 is I is equal to I1 plus I2. So substitute 2 in 1. In the place of I, V by RP. In the place of I1, V by R1. In the place of I2, V by R2. Here in the right hand side we are taking V as common. V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. V cancelled. We are getting 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That is the equation is 3. This equation is defined as reciprocal of the parallel resistance, that is 1 by Rp, is defined as the sum of reciprocal of individual resistance present in the circuit, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. This is the equation for parallel resistance. It is in the reciprocal, that means 1 by Rp. We are getting the equation in fraction. So we are going to convert into normal value. So 1 by Rp we are taking LCM. LCM is R1 R2. So in the numerator we are adding R2 plus R1. 1 by Rp equal to R2 plus R1 divided by R1 by R2. We need the value of Rp, take reciprocal. So Rp is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is a formula for parallel resistance. Next topic, derive the equation for current division rule. Current division rule, we are going to apply the current division rule only for parallel connection. Here same circuit we are taking two resistors connected in parallel with a battery V, current I1 through R1, I2 through R2. We know the formula for parallel resistance, that is Rp is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Mark the equation 1. Ohm's law, we know that V equal to I into Rp. Here we are going to substitute Rp value in V. That means substitute the equation 1 in equation 2. V is equal to Rp is I as it is I, Rp R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Mark the equation number 3. Now Ohm's law, we know that V equal to I1 R1, V equal to I2 R2. We are going to find the current value. So I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2. Mark the equation 4 and 5 respectively. Now substitute the value of V. Already we derived that equation number 3. Substitute that 3 in 4 and 5. First we are taking fourth equation, I1 equal to V divided by R1. In the place of V we are substituting I into R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Here R1 is in the denominator. That is product with the R1 into R1 plus R2. R1 gets cancelled. Balance you are having I1 equal to I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Next we are going to see for the equation number 5. In the substitute equation 3 and 5. I2 is equal to I into R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 divided by R2. R2 into, in the denominator we just product the both denominator. So R2 into R1 plus R2. R2 gets cancelled. We are having I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Already we saw in the voltage division rule, same thing you just see here in the equation number 6 and 7. We are having left hand side I1 and I2. I1 and I2 are the unknown current. I is the known current. See in the product term R2 here R1. I1 is the unknown current through R1. Opposite resistance is R2. Here similarly R1 is the resistance. I2 is the current through resistance R2. So R1 is opposite resistance to the unknown current. Hence we can conclude that current division rule states that unknown current is equal to known current into opposite resistance relates to unknown current divided by sum of all resistance present in the circuit. That is known as current division rule. Now we are going to summarize all topics. Series connection is nothing but the connection which makes end to end, which make the path in a single way. Hence current will be same, voltage will be different. Series resistance RS is nothing but the sum of all resistance R1 plus R2 plus up to Rn. Voltage division rule is nothing but unknown voltage is equal to known voltage into same resistance divided by sum of all resistance. Parallel connection is nothing but the connection each end of the all components are connected together, other end of the all components are connected together makes a parallel connection. Parallel connection current will be different, voltage will be same. A parallel resistance Rp is nothing but R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Current division rule is nothing but unknown current is equal to known current into opposite resistance divided by sum of all resistance. These are about series connection, parallel connection, voltage division rule and current division rule.